Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In front of us another Tomos, another vintage beauty, and this is Colibri T12. This is a well-known model from Tomos, and it was produced in very large numbers, and as I see it now, and as I saw it 10 years, 20 years ago, it still fascinates me a lot. So this model has some, let's say, parts and some details that were closely connected with Puch, and as I see here, you can see some very nice details, and this is this cover for the chain, and here you have the possibility to have also pedals, and here you have also some details that are very nicely made, and this is this cover for the air filter, and everything, it's, let's say, well made. Here I have to say also that this is this box for the tools, if you need some screwdrivers and so on. So a very nice looking moped. This is a moped, I have to say. It has a single cylinder 49cc engine and 3 gears, so the manual gearbox. So this is a 1967 model, and it is completely restored, and it has a tire pump here, so you can pump your tires. It has chromed wheels or chromed rims. The rack here, it's chromed, and the seat, it's a 2-color seat. Here you can see it. So a very nice model. The speedo, it's till 80 kilometers per hour. So some details here on the mudguard, you see, also chromed, and I think that this one looks really amazing. It has a kick start here you can see. So in this case, the kick start, it's oriented on the right. Here you can see the engine, carburetor, and this one has also this let's say wind protectors for the rider's legs, and a very nice moped, a very nice machine, I have to say. It is not a high revving engine, and the top speed should be 60 kilometers per hour. These models are let's say pricey today, and if you have one, I think that you should keep it. So a very nice Tomos. This is all, guys. This was Tomos Colibri T12 from 1967 in complete stock state or condition. It is completely restored. I think that it looks wonderful, and these little mopeds, these Tomos mopeds, are really valuable these days, and the prices will go even higher, I think so, in my opinion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.